of that island to come into here. Tart. Well, keep an eye open for
Starbucks. Okay. I can't even see these shops.
They're not there yet, mate.
Oh, right.
Starbucks drive through this lane. Coaches in. It must be over the side of the car park.
Okay. Oh, look at that house on the lorry.
Yes. There it is over there.
Excellent.
Is that it?
Right through here.
You gotta go all the way down to the end. Ooh, KFC now open.
That's the Starbucks, yeah. You've got to go round because there's a man up there already, so you've got to go up there.
Straight ahead.
No. Oh, yeah.
Oh, no,
No, up there.
Open, yes.
Yeah.
Good stuff. So a large blonde, please.
Can I get your order started?
Yes, please. One large blonde latte, please.
Of course, anything else?
And a cold ice blonde latte, please.
Caramel?
Is that a large as well?
Yes, with caramel and that one.
And does that complete your order?
That does.
Drive down for me, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's not getting a large from here.
You nearly forgot your camera.
I know, but it wouldn't have mattered. You know, that 10 quid, it was 20, 35. I gave you the 20 and I must have spent the 5 or something. I've been there before lockdown. Lockdown's amazing for cash, you just don't spend it. We were watching a film last night, I don't know what we were doing.
I don't know.
Hello.
£7.70 please.
Do you take those?
Is that to pay?
No.
We can't do the points here.
Okay.
Can't do the points?
No. Thank you.
Can you receipt?
Yes, please.
No points?
No points
What's
here.
that?
I don't know, my love.
Scandalous.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ready to go?
Have you got a straw?
Second, sir?
Got a straw for the latte?
It has got a sip in it, but...
Oh yeah, okay.
No, for yours.
Yeah.
Don't
No.
want a straw?
No, you can't get a straw in it. It's alright, no,
Can't
that's
get a
fine.
straw in that.
No.
You cold one, that's strange.
Yeah,
isn't
that's fine, darling.
it? Okay.
Thank you.
I thought you normally had a straw.
Yeah.
So